In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default home page on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the menu icon at the top right. Go down to the bottom and select Settings on that menu. On the left side, you want to select where it says On Startup. And then where it says On Startup, select Open a specific page or set of pages. And then select where it says Add a new page. Copy and paste it in here, or you can just type it in. And then select Add to save it. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.